About this item retractable crossbar. The retractable design makes the crossbar more flexible in use. Users can adjust to the appropriate width as required to adapt to different sizes of background backdrop. Sturdy tripod backdrop stand with adjustable height, 2.6 feet/0.8 m, 7.0 feet/2.1 m. The aluminum alloy backdrop stand is durable, and the design of the tripod base ensures it won't shake when fully extended to its maximum size. Better effect with accessories. The clamp, made of strong and rugged type of plastic, matches with clips enabled to clamp anything onto the stand tightly and present a better shooting effect. And sandbags can make the backdrop stand more stable after loading heavy objects. Portable and compact. The stand kit is very lightweight and portable after being put into the carry bag, and will not take up too much space. It can be conveniently stored in the bedroom, living room, and corner. Multifunctional application. This backdrop stand kit is suitable for newborn photography, baby photo shoot, professional photo studio shooting, product display background, DIY photo booth, pet pictures, shooting video, or home/wedding/parties decoration. Note: due to gravity, the crossbar will bend slightly. It is not suggest to hang anything too heavy, and kindly please use sandbags to add weighted for stable in windy conditions. In the description